Welcome to exercise session number 4 on EC pipe training. This session we're going to cover generating a catalog report. So the first thing you'll want to do is to make sure you're in the catalog you want to get the report on, which we're in the DWV and DW only catalog. So as I go ahead and just make sure that that one's the one that's loaded, it's going to go ahead and make sure that catalog's loaded. Now I can come over here to my icon here, reports. I'm going to go ahead and click on the reports, and this is going to generate me a report of every fitting, every item in that catalog. This takes a little bit of time to do, but you get a lot of information out of it. You also have a lot of options on your reports up on the command line. You can see this created a 170-page report, and you can either go through it by scrolling through it with your mouse or by simply turning the pages up here. You also have the view selection on reports. Do you want to zoom in on it? Do you want one whole page? You can set your page width. You can send it to your printer to have that report printed, any page of it or any selection. You can also set your margins on the reports to whatever you would like. You may come over here and send it out to an Excel file or send it out as a PDF. You can also come in here and go to your tools, and you can say, do you want to see the header? You can put your name, your address, your phone number on it, so that comes out on the reports as well. And that concludes the session on creating catalog reports.
We hope you enjoyed this video. See what's next in our product tips playlist, or visit mep.trimble.com for even more product resources.